1200 degrees Celsius molten steel pours 20-ton rivers molds factory monsters born 50-foot ladles swing precision sparks light night shift workers command fire rivers 400-ton cooling beds contract plates 3% perfect flatness water jets explode steam clouds engineers laser scan 2mm tolerances ships DNA forged fire water precision 1000 degrees Celsius plasma arc slice 200 mm armor plates 0.5mm laser accuracy 50 cutters carve cathedral hull plates sparks light factory workers guide plasma beast perfection 1500-ton gantry cranes lift cathedral plates 1 centimeter precision 100-meter factory span welders prepare jigs below laser grids ensure whole DNA perfect alignment begins.
Ultrasonic scanners hunt 0.1 mm flaws, electromagnetic probes test atomic bonds, divers pressure.
Sulfuric acid baths, etch 30-year oxide protection, mirror finish cranes, swing plates, chemical baptism, corrosion resistance, ocean lifetime perfection, surface DNA flawless mirror. Electrostatic robots spray 150 micron ocean armor epoxy primer, 360-degree coverage. Infrared dryers bake.
Tensile testers crush steel DNA 550 MPa ultimate strength certificate stamped ocean approval quality lab final judgment ship stronger mountains perfection certified absolute. 5,000-ton plate cathedral rolls shipyard convoy highway closure police escort megaship skeleton transport begins factory monsters march ocean destiny perfection mobile.
Europe's largest dry dock, 1,000 meters long, 2 million cubic meters excavated, 500 monsters dig.
Keel Lane, 500-ton thick Pines Bassline, first plate, laser, 1 millisecond computer.
Scan complete on Sector 4. No imperfections detected. Crawler moving to Sector 5.
Double bottom cathedral fuel tanks ballast voids cofferdams water table integrity laser baffles explosion prof ocean safety factory DNA perfection absolute ship unsinkable engineering born. Longitudinal bulkheads, transverse frames, interlocking puzzle, 500-ton sections, crane swing, perfect snap symphony, structural DNA, factory cathedral spine perfection absolute ocean crush ready.
5 decks simultaneous, 50,000 meat square deck plating, robotic welders, continuous seams, elevator shafts, stair.
Shell plating, final torpedo-shaped plasma, contoured place, crane swing, perfect hull form, hydrodynamic drag, 0.118, factory DNA, ocean-ready cathedral skin.
Fender Tifio Piebald 3 blocks.
350 milliliters per structural hull dots water test.
300-meter propeller shaft tunnels laser align 100 ton thrust blah isolation vibration thrust bearing cathedral heart factory propulsion DNA perfect absolute ocean power born.
25M watt Anypod trial pro. Brakes pharmacy controllers patented and bikes building. Water in the cycling team who simulates hydraulic plots.
$100 kilometers, HVAC ducting, 5,000 tons, 50,000 passengers, climate control.
10,000 sprinklers, CO2, FM2, 500 miles pipe, fire suppression, fireproof, cathedral protection. 300 kilometers plumbing 10,000 fixtures fresh waste black gray water separation factory sanitation cathedral bodily function city scale DNA perfection absolute ocean city born.
20 decks simultaneous interior fit out 5,000 workers marble granite teak 2M microgris carpet luxury liners factory
12-story atrium, 50,000 Swarovski crystals, 3-story water feature,
1,400-seat Broadway theater orchestra pit, 50 meters fly tower, hydraulic stage lifts.
500 slots, 100 tables, crystal chandeliers, 360-degree surveillance, factory casino.
5,000 maple square feet spa, spa, thermal suite, thalassotherapy, snow room, salt cave, 50 treatment room.
12 water slides, 4 pools, 3 flow riders, surf simulators, factory aquatic cathedral, adventure DNA.
720 mm ice rink, Zamboni cooling plant, Megasons 5 ammonia chillers, Zilesh. 20-25 meter canal, 25-degree overhang wall, 90-degree overhang, 50 routes, auto belays, factory vertical, cathedral adventure, DNA, ocean.
50 VR pods, 360-degree motion, racing, flight simulators, factory, digital cathedral, gaming DNA, ocean arcade city.
2,000 milliquart medical center, 5 ORs, hyperbaric, MRI, CTs, penthouse suites, infinity pools, private jacuzzis, 24K gold fittings, factory
8 Michelin restaurants, 50,000 bottle cellars, silver service factory, culinary cathedral, gastronomic 5,000 cigar humidor, mahogany lounge, ventilation factory, luxury cathedral, smoking DNA, ocean Havana perfection, absolute luxury liner cigar culture born.
10,000 volume library.
Fifty luxury brands, Bulgari, Cartier, Tiffany, jewelry boutique, factory, luxury cathedral, shopping, DNA, ocean, Rodeo Drive, perfection, absolute floating, 5th Avenue, born.
5,000 mid-fees degree, duty-free liquor perfume, fashion factory, retail cathedral, commerce, DNA, ocean shopping mall, perfection, absolute in consumer paradise, born.
1,000-meter quick rear, teen Disney disco, Deja booth, laser lights, factory, Yutka, cathedral, nightlife, DNA, ocean, 250 ocean, an absolute floating nightclub, born.
200-seat wedding chapel, stained glass crystal chandelier factory, love cathedral, marriage, DNA, ocean, Vegas, perfection, absolute floating altar, born.
500-meter grid navigation bridge, 360-degree windows, integrated systems, factory command, cathedral brain, DNA.
Control 5,300 parameters, real-time SCAT, factory power, cathedral engine, DNA, ocean monitoring perfection, absolute technology, command center born.
100-ton day incinerators, water treat factory, sanitation, cathedral, clean DNA, ocean, zero discharge, perfection, absolute floating city, sustainability, born.
Spoonless. 2,000 tons per day desalinatum reverse osmosis factory, thirst cathedral, hydration DNA, ocean water perfection. 50-ton cargo cranes, tender boats, jet skis, factory utility, cathedral support, DNA, ocean logistics perfection, absolute floating city supply chain, born.
160-degree camera factory safety tap map factory safety security.
VSAT 1 Gbps Starlink backup satellite phones factory connect cathedral communication DNA ocean connectivity perfection absolute floating city always online born.
50 meters funnel exhaust silencers factory smokestack cathedral chimney DNA ocean ventilation perfection absolute floating city landmark born.
Life Funds 5, that's 500-person capacity. Davit cranes, factory safety cathedral evacuation.
12-meter luxury tenders, 100 passengers. Factory shuttle cathedral connection.
150-ton anchors, 500-meter chain windlasses, factory mooring, cathedral grip, DNA ocean hold perfection, absolute floating fortress anchoring born.
50 meters hydraulic gangways, shore power, factory access, cathedral boarding, DNA ocean passenger flow perfection, absolute city connection born. 300,000 microtwert anti-fouling silicone hull coating factory, ocean cathedral skin, DNA perfection, absolute world's slickest ship born.
5,000 reserves, 24-inch interior mission, final clean, furniture, electronics, test, factory to debris. 10,000 fire alarms, keep up.
Dry dock flood cathedral floats. 228 tons tally displacement, factory basement.
7-day sea trials, 40 knots, 25 MW Azipods, full power ocean proving ground factory performance cathedral test DNA perfection absolute speed stability certified.
Crash stop, 40 knots to 0 inches, 450 meters, factory braking, cathedral stopping power, DNA ocean emergency perfection, massive scale certified.
Zigzag 40 knots, 30-degree rudder turns, factory handling, cathedral agility, DNA ocean maneuver perfection, absolute city-sized agility certified.
500 tons per day fuel, 40 knots efficiency test, factory economy, cathedral fuel, DNA, ocean efficiency, perfection, absolute city-sized economy certified.
$50 dB max staterooms, noise testing, factory quiet, cathedral silence, DNA, ocean luxury, quiet perfection, absolute city-sized silence certified.
40.5 knots official speed trial, factory performance, cathedral speed, DNA, ocean speed, record perfection, absolute fastest, largest certified.
Sea trials complete. Christening champagne. 220,000 tons blessing. Factory to ocean cathedral. Maiden voyage.
2,500 crew, 100 nationalities, training, complete factory, people, cathedral crew, DNA, ocean team perfection, absolute global family ready.
7,000 guests, priority boarding suites, first factory welcome, cathedral guests, DNA, ocean embarkation perfection, absolute maiden voyage celebration begin.
Maiden departure, 5 horn blasts, pilot tug escort, 220,000 tons ocean bound, factory to sea, cathedral.
VSAT, 1 GPS, world broadcast, maiden voyage factory, connect cathedral, global DNA, ocean, always connected perfection, absolute floating city, live worldwide.
50 drones, 360-degree aerial factory to ocean transformation, cathedral flight, DNA perfection, absolute historic documentation complete.
5,000 pages, classification, Lloyd's ABS DNV factory certification, cathedral official DNV.
2.25 billion USD final payroll. Cathedral.
10,000 workers, 5-year champagne celebration, factory, family, cathedral triumph, DNA perfection, absolute greatest team achievement complete.
Through like grid row 5 and 260 Tavet 120,000 G ship sales horizon factory cathedral.
5 UA 24 mm hours, 100,000 ton steel, 2.5 BG vac liquid cathedral crane perfection.
10,000 worker faces 5-year journey, welder, crane operator, factory, people, cathedral soul, DNA perfection, absolute human achievement, heart born.
Robotics, AI, plasma cutting factory, future cathedral technology, DNA perfection, absolute next generation shipbuilding born.
0 lost time engine.
60% recycled steel, 0 waste factory, green cathedral sustainability, DNA perfection, absolute environmental achievement born.
10,000 jobs, 2.5 B USD economic impact, 50 suppliers, factory economy, cathedral prosperity, DNA perfection, absolute community achievement born.
World record, 365 meter, 220,000 GT, largest cruise ship record.
5 sister ships, pipeline, factory, dynasty, cathedral, legacy, DNA perfection, absolute shipbuilding empire, born eternal.
World's largest cruise ship sails sunset, golden hour, factory to eternity cathedral.
World's largest cruise ship, BORM, 365 meters, 200